Well, I'm truly amazed by your Maruti Suzuki S-CNG powered car. Yaar,
Huh?
what makes S-CNG technology so amazing?
I know just a place that can answer that question. Chale?
Of course.
Let's go. The genius behind the S-CNG technology is not new. The flawless level of engineering at Maruti Suzuki has been learned and earned through decades of research and development. That's the secret behind S-CNG's amazing performance. Aja. So what you're seeing over here is every S-CNG powered vehicle getting fitted with an advanced ECU and an exhaust system directly into the frame of the vehicle. ये ECU ensure करता है कि engine में perfect fuel to air ratio maintain रहे. And what the catalyst does is makes sure that all of this is done in an eco-friendly manner. And they're tested for emissions to comply with government norms and environment regulations.
Wow.
What you love is that every S-CNG car gets a retuned suspension setup to provide stable performance even after the added weight of a CNG gas tank.
This is next level engineering, yaar. But tell me one thing. Are S-CNG cars as safe as they're nice to drive?
Of course, bro. It's Maruti Suzuki technology. Safety has to take top priority. High quality material and focused engineering make S-CNG cars some of the safest vehicles on the road. These cars are designed for CNG fuel right from the concept stage. The vehicle dynamics and strength are tuned for stability. What's more, each one of these S-CNG models have been crash tested as well.
यार, after looking at all of this, S-CNG cars safety के मामले में हर बात में अलग.
Every S-CNG circuit uses high-quality stainless steel, and that makes every S-CNG car completely leak-proof and absolutely safe, no matter what the road throws at it. Want to see something amazing?
Sure.
Andar bet. Okay. Try to turn the engine on.
गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही है
क्योंकि इसमें एक माइक्रो स्विच है, and that won't let the engine turn on till the time the fuel lid is open.
तो मतलब जब तक फ्यूल लिड प्रॉपर्ली बंद नहीं होगा तब तक गाड़ी स्टार्ट नहीं होगी.
Exactly. Try now.
Now that's smart.
And safe.
सुन, एक बात बता.
हाँ.
सीएनजी कार्स में गैस तो आगे से भरी जाती है.
फैक्ट्री फिटेड S-CNG गाड़ी में नहीं. इसमें it's conveniently placed at the back. And the NGV nozzle, मतलब faster refueling.
तो मतलब no more long waiting time at the gas station.
Nah. And you can now monitor your own gas level because the MID features a dedicated gas gauge.
I am truly impressed. But एक last question. How will an S-CNG car help me to save more?
चल बताता हूँ. Special engine valves and high-quality mounting parts ensure that you get a consistent experience for years. मतलब maintenance and repairs पे खर्चा कम.
So technically, these are not the cars with a CNG kit installed in them. These are the cars that are made for CNG from the ground up. मान गए boss.
So, where do you want to go next?
Of course, to Maruti Suzuki Arena showroom. How else will I get my S-CNG powered cars?
Chal, let's go. Smart are the ones who choose solid performance, safety, and savings. So choose Maruti Suzuki factory-fitted S-CNG technology.